Samsung Mobiles always tries to delivers the most advanced and appealing smartphone into the market. Samsung Mobiles has taken a step further into the technology. Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro coming in market by Samsung Mobiles. The launch date of Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro is 2022, December 12. Introducing necessary specification and features. The Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro price in Pakistan is 94,999 rupees, while in USD it is $480. To find out more about specs and price, let's have a look below. Discussing about network, Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro supports variety of networks for the users to enjoy at any location. With a simple switch, the users can go from one network to another depending on the strength of the network. The networks supported in Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro are GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G. The details are listed below. Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro comes with numerous features which not only make its appearance appealing but also very adjustable. The phone has a dimension of 169 x 80 by 10 mm, 6.65 by 3.15 by 0.39 in, with a weight of 235 grams, 8.29 ounces, comfortable to move around. Moreover, the build of Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro is IP68 dust, water resistant, up to 1.5 meters for 35 minutes, drop to concrete resistance from up to 1.5 meters, mil STD810H compliant ***, does not guarantee ruggedness or use in extreme conditions. It supports single SIM, nano SIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby option. Through you can get accessibility to different networks. This phone comes with popular color options by i.e. black. The Samsung Galaxy X Cover 6 Pro sensors include fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass.